Hello everyone, I hope you are well. I'm Sandeep and most welcome my dear friends again at this YouTube channel. I hope you are well and you are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about how you can think in English and how you can increase your confidence level. My dear friends, I have made many videos in this type. If you belong in village, and I am saying to you, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to think in English and if you want to learn English, my dear friends, you can go and you can watch to me how I have to learn in English and how I am getting speak fluent front to you, my dear friends. If you want to improve yourself, if you think that you have to increase your confidence level, you have to speak without hesitation front of people on the stage, and if you are thinking as my dear friends, I think that you would get to speak better to me if you want to do so. If you want to learn this language, my dear friends, I think that you have to feel lot of fear, you have to feel hesitation first of all. You have to think in our mind there is nothing to come what we have to speak front of my friends, front of people. My dear, we are talking to you how you can conversation in English, how you can learn in English and how you can speak in English, my dear friends. First of all, you have to put up a topic in which topic you have to do practice, in which topic you have to speak some word, my dear friends. If you are belonging village and if you are think that you have not resources, how you can remove your fear and how you can improve your communication skill, how you can learn in English, my dear friends, and how you can do practice lot of us. You can watch to me how we are providing to you, how we are learning and how we are doing practice in English without my friends. You can watch to me and you can learn how am I doing practice. Also you can do practice and you can improve yourself. You can learn English, you can improve your English and you can speak English without hesitation. If you are a learner, if you are a student, if you want to go for interview, my dear friends, you have to need know about yourself what you can do. There is no one as, because I watch lot of people who is speaking in English, who is learning in English, who is want to improve his communication skill. You can watch to me and you can learn, you can take inspiration of your ideal people who is better to you. If you want to improve your English, you have to do lot of conversation in English, you have to do practice, you have to think in English, you have to make sentences. How you can improve yourself, how you can develop your confidence, how you can develop your confidence and how you can think in English in your mind. If you want to improve yourself, if you want to speak in English, my dear friends, there is no one know everything before. Everyone is learn slowly in his life. So my dear friends, if you want to learn, if you want to speak, if you want to change yourself, you can improve yourself, you can learn better to me, you can learn better of people, you can learn better of anyone people. So first of all, you have to learn how you can make of the sentences. If you have to study in Hindi medium school, college, if you want to improve yourself, if you think that I am belong a village, how we can improve my communication skill, how we can improve and how we can do practice. My dear friends, you can watch lot of people and you can learn well to you. You must not hopeless at this talk. If you are belong a village, you cannot do anything in your life, my dear friends. Lot of people will meet to you as who have to gain well in his life, who is belong in the village. You must know that at this talk. And if you want to change yourself, you must make ambition in your life. Without ambition, without goal, you are nothing and your life is nothing in your life. You must know that at this talk, my dear friends. If you are studying in class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, if you are a student, my dear friends, so think about your ambition, what you want to do and what you want to be in your life, what you want to make yourself, my dear friends. You must know that at this talk, because as far to you, as for me, many people will meet, but I am stopping this video and that I have to remove. I hope you can gain well.